Okay, so now that we have our cluster set up, this cluster name is iSecretary AI. We'll go ahead and browse collections. So here, they've provided you a fake database, but we want to get rid of that, right? So that we can set up our own. So just copy this here. We paste that in. We can hit drop. Excellent. Now we can go ahead and add our own data. So we can name this whatever we want. I'll say iSecretary AI database. Okay. So we can also create a collection, and I'll go ahead and create two collections. For the first collection, we can name it journal entries. And the second collection, we'll name it calendar events. So we've got journal entries. And for the second collection, let's name it calendar events. Amazing. So we now have our database set up. We have our two collections. One of them is called calendar events, and the other is called journal entries. So with that being said, we do want to get our credentials for MongoDB so that our backend can connect to this MongoDB Atlas instance. Now, the way that you do that is if you head over to clusters and you click the connect button, you'll have this pop up, and you can click down on drivers. And here you're actually given your MongoDB URI, which you can now include into the application. Now, for security purposes, they don't include your username and password, but you did see that we set that up in the previous step. So when you do save this into your .env environment, just go ahead and replace this with the username and password that was set up in MongoDB. Now, I know you guys have the question of, should we put it in here or should we replace the entire thing? Replace the entire thing. Okay, so username will go here, password will go here. So I'll go ahead and copy this, and after that, we're done with MongoDB. Congratulations, you've now set up a Livekit account, and you've set up a backend database that you can use so that you can save the resources that are created by the Voice AI agent. You're on a roll here. Let's continue.